6:17 right now. Let's get a check of that forecast here at home, Carson. We had a pretty nice weekend, I'd say.
And I hope this work week is going to hold up pretty well for us, too.
Well, it'll be a mixed bag, unfortunately, guys. We'll have a decent bit of dry time, some sun here and there, yes. But this is a very summertime weather pattern. This is what we're used to seeing in June, July, and August. And that will be with us through the entire work week. So you'll need to keep that umbrella on hand. There is the chance for one or two stronger storms tonight. Not a guarantee, but we might have some gusty winds this evening, especially out in the shoals. Otherwise, outside of the rain chances, it is going to stay warm and going to stay humid as well. Right now, we are dry on the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network. The big headline as you head out the door is the fog. Not everybody's seeing dense fog, but if you're in the shoals and I-59 corridor in particular, you're seeing some dense fog. Give yourself a few extra minutes on the roads. Otherwise, for most of your Monday, during the daytime hours, I think we stay dry. There is enough humidity out there to where we can't rule out a few showers late this afternoon as you're heading home from work, heading home from school. But I think a lot of us stay dry until past sunset tonight. Our forecast highs, by the way, in the mid-80s today. So let's go right to future radar. This is around noon today. That mix of sun and clouds sticking around. Can't rule out a couple of showers this afternoon. What we will be watching later on tonight is this small cluster of thunderstorms in western Tennessee. Note the time. This is around 8 o'clock tonight. Data sources are really struggling with just how strong this cluster of thunderstorms will be and exactly where it is going to go. The newest data I've seen this morning keeps that cluster of storms really right along the I-40 corridor in Tennessee. But some data sources are trying to bring it into our shoals counties as well. This is a late evening overnight setup, and I do expect this cluster of storms to weaken as it moves eastward. So the overall severe risk tonight is pretty low, but if you're in north and west Alabama, we could see some gusty winds overnight tonight. Waking up on Tuesday morning, really a carbon copy of this morning. A mild start, but dry. And as we go through the afternoon tomorrow, we should stay mostly dry, but then by Tuesday night, you see those shower and thunderstorm chances increasing yet again, and we'll just keep this on again, off again pattern for showers and storms all the way through Friday. But let's talk about Thursday in particular. That's when the cold front that puts an end to this weather pattern starts to move into the southeast. But it's going to be a strong cold front, and this just came down about an hour ago. There is a threat for severe weather on Thursday, mainly centered along the Mississippi River, so eastern Arkansas, western Tennessee. But if you look closely, you notice that risk does slide into our western counties. It's a level 1 risk. It's again for Thursday, but this will be right along that cold front. Now, the exact timing of this front is still in flux. Some data sources say Thursday, some say Friday. So that's why in the 7-day, you'll see that 50-50 shot for showers and storms both days. But bottom line, we'll have to watch that Thursday night time frame for maybe a few stronger storms here in North Alabama, and then we'll start to dry things out just a little bit by Friday and into Saturday. In general, we're going to see around a ½ inch to 1 inch of rainfall over the next 7 days, and with all the dry time we'll have in between, we're not too worried about flooding. But again, we'll keep a close eye on the threat for strong storms tonight and of course Thursday as well. Looking ahead to your Mother's Day weekend, I think we're in good shape. Maybe a few showers Saturday morning, not a big deal. Mother's Day itself on Sunday looks just fine. Mostly sunny skies and highs right around 80.